The coronavirus outbreak has accelerated its spread in China with 56 deaths so far. Chinese President Xi Jinping called the outbreak a grave situation, and the government stepped up efforts to restrict travel and public gatherings while rushing medical staff and supplies to Wuhan, the epicentre of the outbreak, which remains on lockdown. The U.S. consulate in Wuhan announced on Sunday that it will evacuate its personnel and some private citizens aboard a charter flight. The latest figures reported on Sunday morning cover the previous 24 hours and mark an increase of 15 deaths and 688 cases for a total of 1,975 infections. Cases have also been found in Thailand, Japan, South Korea, the US, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Nepal, France, Australia, and Canada. A notice from the U.S. Embassy in Beijing said there would be limited capacity to transport U.S. citizens on the Tuesday flight from Wuhan that will go directly to San Francisco. It said in the event there are not enough seats, priority will be given to individuals at greater risk from coronavirus. French car maker PSA Group said it will evacuate its employees from Wuhan, quarantine them and then bring them to France. France's foreign ministry said it was working on eventual options to evacuate French citizens from Wuhan who want to leave. Also on Sunday, two of Hong Kong's biggest attractions, Hong Kong Disneyland and Ocean Park, announced they were closing for the time being. Travel agencies have been told to halt all group tours and concern is growing over the potential impact of millions of people traveling back to cities after China's Lunar New Year holiday ends on Thursday. In the heart of the outbreak where 11 million residents are already on lockdown, Wuhan banned most vehicle use, including private cars, in downtown areas starting on Sunday. The city will assign 6,000 taxis to neighborhoods to help people get around if they need to. Wuhan plans to build a second makeshift hospital with about 1,000 beds to handle the growing number of patients. The city said another hospital was expected to be completed by February 3. Medical workers have been among those infected and Wuhan media reported a doctor died of the virus on Saturday. The 62-year-old worked at the ear, nose and throat department at Hubei Xinhua Hospital. Medical supplies are reportedly being rushed to the city, including 14,000 protective suits, 110,000 pairs of gloves and masks and goggles. The National Health Commission said it is bringing in medical teams to help handle the outbreak, a day after videos circulating online showed throngs of frantic people in masks lined up for examinations and complaints that people were turned away at hospitals that were at capacity. The new virus comes from a large family of what are known as coronaviruses, some cause. For more on this story, visit the news article link.